Ensure the car refrigerator is plugged in and turn on. Depending on the car refrigerator model, activate its Bluetooth or Wi-Fi function. Usually it is Bluetooth. Open the TUIA app. Open the app, tab All devices, then tab Add device. The app will automatically search for nearby compatible devices. Locate your car refrigerator in the search result and tap to connect. Once connected, the app will display the car refrigerator's status, and you can start to use the product features. Ensure the app supports your refrigerator model range. Keep your phone within the effective connection. Range of the refrigerator.